Hi everyone, this is Lisha with FP Handmade, and today I have a card share video for you. I am joining hashtag 2crafters1design and hashtag SatMoreMakes. SatMoreMakes is Jill. She's Jillian Norwood Design Greenwood Girl Cards here on YouTube. She likes you to create designs all week and share your creations on Saturday morning. Hashtag 2crafters1design, that's Melissa, she's Mo Creations. Lisa, you see I'm a diva. And Gloria with Girlier's Cards, all here on YouTube. They pick a theme each week and likes you to use that theme in a design and share it on Saturday morning. So their theme this week was Happy Birthday. So I love making happy birthday cards, so that's what I did. So let me share with you what I used. So first up, I used the Stamp Market's little enamel dots in these really pretty blue hues. I think these are really pretty. And then from Waffle Flower, I used this stamp and die set. It's called Sweet Birthday Sentiments. Waffle Flower has the best little sentiments, and they die cut so well, and they come in this awesome packaging that includes the stamp set and the dies. So use that. And then the main star of the show was this paper from this collection kit called The Magical Adventure. It's really cute. It doesn't say it's Disney, but it has all of the little Disney icons that you recognize. And I'm going to share this collection kit in a haul, so stay tuned for that. And let me share with you the card that I made. So it's trying to go outside the box, not use any dies, just use items in my stash that I purchased for a reason. And so here's the card. I think it turned out really cute. It's so colorful, which I love. While the collection kit, indicates kind of like Disney, I don't think you just automatically go to Disney when you look at this card. I think the blue kind of not makes you really think of Disney. I had these cut apart little banners left over from a project, and I thought I would use one of them, and I think it turned out really cute. So it's layered up like I like, and I was really pleased with the outcome. So let me know what you think below. I want to thank all of you for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing. If you are a long-time viewer, thank you so much. And a long-time subscriber, thank you so much. So let me know what you think about the card below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you.